So this video is 06.125 timber wall and ceiling linings. So we're going to be ordering our VJ panel. So we've got this shown on our carpentry layout where we've got feature VJ boards. So we've got one panel there, and then also on the next page to the walk-in robe. So the labour for this is just a square meterage, so the length times the internal ceiling height. So now we're actually just going to do the board. So this is Easy Craft board. So I've already loaded these items into the job. So the lower floor, as you'll see, is a little bit higher. So we just need to go. We want full sheets. We don't want to have to cut the boards. So that's why I've used the 3.3. Now if we go back to the floor plan, you can see that this wall here is 3.76. So if we divide that by 1200, which is the sheet width, we'll need 4 boards. It's 3.1, but we need to take that one up to 4 so that we have complete boards. The next room was the media room here. So if you look on the elevations, you'll be able to see that the media room ceiling height is 2.44. So we're going to use the 2.7 high board there. So I'll just go back to the floor plan and we'll get the length of that wall. So that wall is 3.92. So 3.92 divided by 1200. So we've got 3.2. So we'll also need 4 of the 2.7 boards. Then if we go to upstairs, we've got the walk-in robe. So we're going to be doing 3.8 divided by 1200. So again, we have 3.1. Now, because this is the same board, we were going to have a little bit of wastage there, so we can use that sheet. So I'm just going to order 3 additional ones of the 2.7, and then we need a delivery component. We also need to have 12mm quad, which goes around the outside of the panel. So to calculate that one, we're just basically going to do the perimeter of all of these areas. So we've got 3.8 plus 3.8 plus 2.59 and 2.59. So that's all the sides. So that's 12.78 divided by 5.4, which is the length. So we need 3 at 5.4 for that wall. Then we have the media, so we've got the 3.92 for the length plus 3.92 for the lower length plus 2.44 for the ceiling height plus 2.44 for the other ceiling height. So that's 12.72, which divided by the length there is 2.3. So we'll get another 3 lengths there. And then we'll go down to our dining area. So that was 3.76 plus 3.76. So that's the upper bead and the lower bead. And then we've got plus 3.2 and 3.2, which was each side. So that was 13.92 divided by 13.92 divided by 5.4, which is the length that the quad comes in, and so that's 2.5. So we'll order another 3 there. Now just need to find a price for that one, as I don't actually have that one currently set up in the system, but once I have a price, I'll add that one in. So that is everything that's required for the VJ walls. Now you can actually compress these items so that these two go together. So if you go combine like quantities, that will squash all those ones up together so that it's a much prettier purchase order. It's got a lot less line items. What we'll do is I'll create an item for this, so next time you come to use it, there'll be the quad sitting there waiting for you. So that one is basically everything that we needed to do for the actual product itself. And the actual item for the labour is in the cladding. So I've already calculated that one. So we've got our 3 BJ panelling to wall, and that's gone out to the carpenter working on when they're doing all the FC cladding.